Okay, welcome. Here we are for another mystery problem. Today we have 3 parts to our mystery problem, and we are going to be using Marjorie. We are going to be using Dylan. We are going to be using Sinclair and Bobby.
Ta-da!
All right, Quinlan's already gotten started, so let's catch up with him.
Look at this.
Okay, hold on one sec. Let's get started, okay? These, our friends at home haven't heard the mystery problem yet. So we have Marjorie. She baked 10 cupcakes, okay? She loves to help her mom bake. So she made 10 cupcakes, and she wants to share them. She wants to give 2 to Dylan. She wants to give 1 to Sinclair. And she wants to give 2 to Bobby, okay? But she's not sure how much she'll have left over because she wants to make sure that she has enough for her family. So I would like you to use your cubes to figure out how many she's going to give away and how many she will have left.
1, 2,
And then
3, 4,
challenge
5.
yourself to write a number sentence.
1, 2, 3,
We're going to pause it
4,
for this
5.
part. So I'll say it again. Marjorie makes 10 cupcakes. She wants to give 2 to Dylan, she wants to give 1 to Sinclair, and she wants to give 2 to Bobby. And she's not sure how many she'll have left. So I would like you to write a number sentence for this problem, and then we'll come back and do part 2. All right, Quinlan is going to give his strategy because he's kind of figured it out. All right, go ahead.
Look, I have 10. I know that is 10. And I know that she gave away 5. So I can't.
How do you know she gave away 5?
Since she gave away 2 and plus 1 plus 2 equals 5. So instead I broke 5 off and I counted the rest and then there was 5 left.
So she's going to have 5 left. So Quinlan, would you mind if I showed you your number sentence? Okay, so Quinlan wrote this number sentence. He had some reversals, but it's pretty good. 2 plus 1 is the same as, 2 plus 1 plus 2, is the same as 5. And then
Plus 5.
plus 5, I think he meant that to be a plus. Plus 5 is the same as 10. So he figured out that 2 goes to Dylan, right? 1 goes to Sinclair, 2 goes to Bobby, and that's the same as 5. So 5 is the same as 5. And then to figure out how many there were left,
10.
he took 5 that he had, right? That Marjorie gave away, the 5 cupcakes Marjorie gave away, which is here. And then he counted up how many she had left, and he knows that 5 and 5 is 10. Wonderful. This concludes part 1. If you would like to stop here, you may do so. If you would like the challenge, you can go ahead and keep going. And we will go on to part 2.
I just want to do this.
Okay, so the second part of this math problem is, since we figured this one out, that she would have 5 left over, and she was giving 5 to her friends. Now, she wants to make some for everyone in her class, okay? Now, there's 26 kids in her class, but there's also 2 teachers. Marjorie's like, I can't forget my teachers. So we have 26 plus 2, which is 26, 27, 28, right? So we have 28 people that she needs to make, she wants to make cupcakes for, okay? Now, the recipe only makes 12. It only makes 12. How many batches of cupcakes does she need? Okay, so the clues, we need 28 because she's making it for 28 people. There's only 12 in a batch. How many batches of cupcakes? Oops. Cupcakes. Quinlan, did you hear?
Yeah.
So how do we start? What are our clues?
She needs 2.
Well, she needs to have 28 cupcakes, but in a recipe it only makes 12. So how many batches does she need?
2 batches.
Let's try to figure it out. Here, I'm going to pause it for us. All right, so we have lost our friend Quinlan, but that's okay. Let's see what you came up with. We knew that one batch makes 12 cupcakes. We knew that Marjorie needs 28 cupcakes. And our question was, how many batches are we going to need for this project? So what Quinlan and I did, is we got our cubes, and you can pause, but this is just one strategy, okay? We got our cubes and we figured out, well, we definitely need more than one batch because one batch is only 12. So we have 10 and we counted just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10. And then we know 10 and 2 is 12. And then we got some more because that's one batch. That's not enough. That's not 28. So we got some more. We need another batch. I just used this. I lined it up like an array so I didn't have to count again. 10, 11, 12. Here's 2 batches. Is that enough? So Quinlan and I counted. And what we did was we actually counted by tens because it's faster. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Is 24 cupcakes enough to feed 28 people? Nope. So we needed to have another batch. So we have 2 batches. Okay, so we got another group of 10. And 2, 10, 11, 12, okay? And so we found out that we would definitely need 1 batch, 2 batch, 3 batch. And the way that we counted to make sure, just to make sure, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So it would be a total of 36. So the answer to this question was quite simply 3 batches, okay? And the way that we did that was, if you wanted to do a number sentence, you could do 12 plus 12 equals, what did we figure out? Yep, 24, which wasn't enough. So then we did 24 plus 12 equals 36. Okay? All right, let's pause here. The last part of the problem is, how many is Marjorie going to have left over? If all we need is 28, how many cupcakes is she going to have left over? And that's the last challenge. So please, if you are so inclined, have your parents record your strategies, share them with us. I would love to share them next week. All right, until next time, see you later.